In today's video, I want us to take a close look at Ethereum on the weekly and daily time frame to see where this bad boy is heading to. Now, guys, you can see Ethereum has made a massive run to the upside after leaving around $1,300. You can see if we zoom out, you see it came right down to about $1,300. It made this huge move to around 2,500 area. After that, it made a huge move right up to about $5,000. Right now, we are seeing price consolidating. All the moving averages are trying to catch up with price, like the 50-day, the 5-day, the 13-day EMA. So what I'm thinking is simple because price is below the alpha trend and below the 5-day and 13-day EMA. I think price want to catch up with the 50-day EMA, which is making its way to the upside. Now, if we have to bring in the 2-year, block it from this zone to the upside there, you can see that price might come right down to around 3,900 or 4,000 price point. If we're going to lose the 4,200 support zone, we are going to head straight away to around the 3,900 price point based on the golden pocket, based on this movement here to the upside. Now, if we are seeing a major pullback, then the simple thing to do is to bring in our volume profile, mark it from the bottom of this move to the top of that move to see where we are currently and where we might expect price to move. Now, price is above the value area high based on the volume profile, the fixed volume profile. And if we are to see price drop again to the downside, I mean like drastically, price is gonna go right back to around 2,500 where this move started. I doubt whether price might do that. But something I have to be honest here is that price can do whatever price want to do, regardless your feelings and so on. Now, based on the fact that we are trading above the value area high on the FIB, let's see whether the alpha trend here can give us some signal as to where price is heading towards. Now, looking at this candle, you can see this candle was a candle that created a massive buy before we see price move to the upside. Now, if they have to bring price to any area, any zone, I think this is a zone they're gonna bring price to. This is the $2,781 price point. I think this is something they might do. And for now, let us call this because price is still far away to the upside. Price still have to break these moving averages, make it way to the downside, break this support zone. So there's a lot of barrier on the way or lot of obstacles before we see price, move towards this area. So for now, we want to see price hold this value area high. And if we look at this on the weekly time frame, you're going to see that price is holding the 5-day EMA on this time frame, which is awesome. If this weekly candle close above the 5-day EMA, then there's chances that we can see a huge movement to the upside to around about, let's say, 5,000 something for Ethereum. But let's wait and see how this week is gonna close. If this week close below the 5-day moving average, then the alpha trend and the 13-day moving average should be the target for Ethereum. For now, I think Ethereum is just moving sideways for this moving average to catch up with price. That's how it always happens. When you see a massive move like that, price is always gonna consolidate, move sideways. If say the market makers don't want to keep pushing price to the downside or to the upside, you're going to move price sideways until they decide what they want to do with price. So this is what I'm looking at for Ethereum. And guys, we need to pay attention to Ethereum price action because if not, you might be buying an altcoin thinking it's going to pump, but it's not going to pump because Ethereum is not doing well. Ethereum is the altcoin father. If Ethereum is not doing well, then we are not going to see most of the altcoins do well too. This is what I'm looking at for Ethereum on the weekly and the daily time frame. If you want to learn how to do TA, how to invest in cryptocurrency, I can teach you one-on-one. I have a session that I can take you from where you are towards where you want to be. So make sure you join my Telegram community. From there, you can comment that you want to learn how to trade, and I'm going to tell you how to get started. Trust me, you need to acquire the skill of trading. That's helped me a lot. It's going to help you understand what is going on in the market, how to position yourself in terms of buying. It's going to help you to buy at a discount rate most of the time. You can never catch the bottom, but buying at a discount rate is what we are looking for or we are striving for. So if you want to learn how to trade, then I want to be that guy to guide you throughout that journey until you get to the position where you say to yourself, now I'm a pro, I can trade. Just make sure you join my free Telegram community. The links are found below this video. Until then, guys, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.